There's only one Earth, and we all need to do whatever we can to take care of it. And that includes incorporating sustainable, earth-friendly practices into our businesses. And yes, this is something that can be done no matter how big or how small your heat press business might be. In this video, we're gonna make a t-shirt that's earth-friendly from production to destruction. But first, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you want more heat press content in your feed, subscribe to our channel as well. Sustainability is super important because there's only one Earth. I strongly believe we can all do our part to love and protect our shared planet. Now, from a business perspective, it's important to remember that sustainability is not a cost. It's an investment in the planet and your business. Consumers are not only more loyal, but are willing to spend more money with companies that are environmentally conscious. This according to the Arbor Day Foundation. So you have more repeat customers. They're all coming back to buy higher priced products, and all of this while doing your part to preserve our beautiful planet. Man, that's a win-win-win in anyone's book. For this project, we're gonna show what happens when a groundbreaking transfer meets a world-changing garment. Siser North America absolutely changed the game when they launched PureHT, which is the world's first fully compostable heat transfer material. Siser PureHT is BPI certified to fully decompose in a composting environment. So for this project, I'm gonna layer PureHT in 5 colors: black, ultramarine blue, moss green, paprika red, amber yellow, and white. Now, when is a t-shirt more than just a t-shirt? When it changes lives and our planet. Allmade is quickly reshaping the blank t-shirt landscape by building core values like sustainable production and ethical manufacturing into every aspect of their operation. We're using the AL2100 in Matcha green. Now the AL2100 has a standard fit, it's incredibly soft, and it's made of 100% ethically sourced and processed organic cotton. I'm actually wearing an AL3000 in olive hue green. Now my t-shirt has a more relaxed fit, heavier weight, and is made of 100% recycled cotton. So let's make some sustainable magic. I have my graphic open in Leonardo Design Studio Pro. I'm going to use my Siser Juliet cutting machine to cut each layer one at a time. And I like to use a cutting mat, but you could load your material straight into the cutter if you like, which is what I'm going to do in this video. We'll repeat this step until all 5 layers have been cut. And once that's done, I'll weed each sheet of PureHT and then dry fit them together to make sure everything is sized properly. To apply the transfers, we're going to use our TrueSpec 16 by 20 inch hybrid auto open heat press. My TrueSpec is set to 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds at a medium firm pressure, which on a TrueSpec is going to be around 5 to 7. I'm going to pre-press the shirt for about 5 seconds, and that's going to eliminate all the wrinkles and moisture. Next, I'll bring all of the layers of vinyl onto the shirt, just so I know that the placement is going to be correct. Then I'll remove all but one layer, cover it with parchment paper, and then give it a 10-second press. I'll repeat this step with the next 4 layers. Once the 5th and final layer has been peeled, I'll give the whole thing a final press of 10 seconds with parchment paper. And there you go. This t-shirt looks and feels amazing. But more importantly, this shirt is earth-friendly from production to destruction. It was sustainably manufactured, and when it reaches the end of its service life after years and years of use, it could be responsibly discarded. Siser PureHT fully decomposes in about 3 months, while cotton takes around 3 to 5 months. Now, we recommend cutting up the garment before composting to speed up the process, but you could also send it guilt-free to the landfill, knowing it's going to safely decompose. You can find more information about Allmade products, practices, and their mission at allmade.com. PureHT transfer material, the Juliet 12-inch vinyl cutter, and the TrueSpec 16 by 20 inch heat press can all be found at Heat Press Nation. With the largest selection of professional heat presses in the USA and an unmatched commitment to customer satisfaction, we're ready to help you find the right equipment, materials, and supplies for your business. Visit us today at heatpressnation.com.